Hello, here he is, all dressed up and all put together. Just wanted to show you guys what he looks like. And he looks real already, but he hasn't been painted yet, as you can see. But, he's so adorable. Look at that. That little face, he looks so real. And I like it how his hand is. I mean, full arm, I mean, all the way up there. So cute. And he's got his onesie on that it says, always getting picked up by woman. Look at his legs, so cute. Little feet. And this one is bent leg. Got a lot of detail. And I can't wait to reborn him. And it won't be long. I just have to finish the other baby. Sorry about that. And, with the hair and stuff. I just couldn't wait to put him together so I can hold him and everything. And look at the dark blue eyes. That's what he's going to have. And you will have just a little bit of hair. A newborn style. He is so cute. I just love him to death. And Bonnie Brown, you did a great job on him. I love him so much. And he's the first kit that I have that is by Bonnie Brown. My first one here. And look at his ears. He has a lot of detail into his head. And the ears. Do you guys think that he will look good as a boy or a girl? To me, I think it's a boy. So he looked better as a boy. And I like his mouth, his nose, so realistic. Everything about him, I mean, is so unreal. It's so cute. And see, he's got full limbs all the way up there. You don't even see the cloth body, whatever you call it. Now, I'm going to do something here. Be right back. Hang on. Sorry about that, you guys. Trying to put his belly to show. There we go. Got his own belly plate. It comes with it. And his belly button is like down there. Like mine. He is so cute. What do you guys think of him? I like him to put the eyes like that, and like it's looking at something. That's what I like. Let me see if I can show you the detail. I just love him. I should have gotten 2, but it's too late because it's already sold out. So at least I got 1 for myself to have. But if I had 2, I would have sold the other one for you to have, you know, but oh well. I love him. You want to say goodbye to everybody? Huh? Say bye-bye. You can pose him, and I like him when babies go like this sometimes. And I mean, so cute. Say bye-bye. Okay, I gotta go. I'll be back. Have a good night. And I hope you like, subscribe, favorite. And if you like, just share it on your Facebook. And see you guys later. Bye.